Hi you guys. So I thought I'll just pop in quickly and share with you what I'm busy with today. So a friend of mine is turning 40 tomorrow and she loves writing. She's a writer. She's actually published and she loves journaling. So I thought I'll make her a really cool journal. And so I had to be a bit sneaky and ask her, favorite things, favorite quotes, favorite colors and all those things. And so it turned out her favorite thing is an eagle and she loves scripture. And she loves the color orange. So the best I could do was unfortunately to find this sort of color. So that's going to be my background, but I'm going to paint some of the details on my design. So to start with, I got the book. I cut a piece of cardboard that'll fit over it and still allow the book to open. So you don't want it to go over this fold here. And then what I've done is I cut my metal just that little bit larger, so just about a centimeter or whatever around the edge so that we can fold it over neatly at the end. And then I transferred my design. So you'll see if you look closely, can you guys see that? I'm not sure about the lighting. Anyway, so you'll see the eagle. I did not transfer all these details. So what I'll do, as you've known, for those of you who've done the Introduction to Metal Embossing course, as we work our design, the metal stretches. And so because this is a lot to transfer and then keep our lines crisp and clear, I'll do this at the end. So I'll first do my outlines and then I'll start filling in the details using this picture as a reference and just draw them by hand. So I'll keep you posted and I'll let you know how we go.